Differential equations, trick number 2. Question number 1. If order and degree of differential equation d2y upon dx2 to the power 5 plus 4 into d2y upon dx2 to the power 5 divided by d cube y upon dx cube plus d cube y upon dx cube is equal to sin x are m and n respectively, then the value of m square plus n square is. आता यामध्ये पहा, या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण पाहिलं ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री पाहण्यासाठी काय करावं लागलं, डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये नसलं पाहिजे, म्हणून काय करावं लागलं, मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय डी क्यूब वाय अपॉन डी एक्स क्यूब, multiplying by d cube y upon dx cube, we get d to the power 5 y upon d square y upon dx cube dx square to the power 5 into ह्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, ह्याचा एलसीएम d cube y upon dx cube आहे, multiplying by into d cube y upon dx cube plus, now d cube y plus upon dx cube, this get cancelled, we get 4 into d square y upon dx square to the power 5 plus d cube y upon dx cube is equal to into d cube y upon dx cube into d cube y by dx cube, this is whole square, is equal to sin x into d cube y upon dx cube. Now here highest power is 3, therefore its order is 3 and index of highest power differential equation, index of this is 2, therefore its order m is equal to 3 and degree n is equal to 2. Highest index, that is n, degree n is equal to 2. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, then find the value of m square plus n square, therefore m square plus n square is equal to 3 square plus 2 square is equal to 4, 9 plus 4, this is 13. This is the answer. Question number 2. Order and degree of differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation one plus dy by dx square divided by d2y upon dx2 is equal to kx is. आपल्याला ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री ऑफ दिस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन काढायचं आहे. आपण पाहिलं डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये डिफरन्शियल फॉर्म नसला पाहिजे, नंतर म्हणजे d2y by dx2 आपल्याला काय करावं, इथं काय टू द पॉवर 3/2 आणि इंडेक्स हा स्क्वेअर ऑफ होल नंबर्स पाहिजे, म्हणजे आपल्याला 3/2 याला काय करावं लागेल, स्क्वेअर केला तर 2 कॅन्सल होईल. therefore by taking square we get 1 plus dy by dx whole square divided by d2y upon dx2 square 3 by 2 into 2 get cancelled to the power 3 is equal to kx to the power 3 kx to the square केला आपण kx to the power 2. आता डिनॉमिनेटर मधला हा संख्या काढून टाकायची तर मल्टिप्लाइड बाय d2y by dx2 therefore 1 plus dy by dx square to the power 3 is equal to kx whole square into d2y upon dx2 to the power 3. Therefore its order is equal to order किती highest power 2, therefore order 2 and degree is equal to highest index is 3. This is the answer.